Hello everyone and welcome to Mystique.io. So this is our working backend Python code and yeah, let's try it out. So let's try from something basic like addition function. So 2, 3 as input, 5 as output and language of code C. Yeah. So in order to make it more interactive, we have added a commented code wherein students or developers have to take this commented code from here and paste it just above the output in order to make it work so that they can have a little practice themselves. Yeah, so let's try out something else. This time let's try out raise to 5 function. So 2 as input, 32 as output and C++ this time. Yeah, so great. So this is the working C++ code in order to find the raise to 5 function of any variable. So now let's try something more iterative like flow function 2.3 as input, 2 as output and Python as working language of code. Yeah, so this is the basic Python function to find out the floor of any input variable. Yeah. So what we did here is we have taken a data.csv file wherein we have appended all the data entries from users accessing this website globally, and this will serve as a basic dataset input for training a PyTorch model. So this is our PyTorch model. We have commented it as of now since it takes too much of CPU consumption, and yeah, so let's uncomment it and we'll show you how it basically works. So yes, this is we uncommented. Let's cross check everything is uncommented. Get batch every inputs. Yep, all the classes are ready to go. Great. So this is our PyTorch model, which basically takes the data.csv file. Data is input and trains itself to find out which function suits the best output. So let's run this code. Yeah. So we have actually fast forwarded the entire video as of now since it take half an hour to process out 8 different iterations. So yes, these are the outputs, and as you can see the loss has been gradually decreasing, just to prove that it works actually. So yes, so now we'll go to our prototype website. So this is the prototype website which we will be deploying as our final model. So yeah, let's go to sign up page. Here we will be adding a form, and after filling up the form you will be able to log in. As of now we have added a terminal window where you can see our entire code running without PyTorch model working at the backend. Yep, so this is our terminal window which we have appended directly, and let's run this in order to see whether it works. So 329, and let's try Java this time. Yep, so working Java code to find raise to 6 function. Thank you.